So connect to door sensor switch. This is door sensor switch. Connect. Just plug in. Good. And just push it in. Lock it up. Things surrounding. Installation. Just screw up. So back panel is installation finished. Back panel is done. So now, moment of truth. Let's try. Just connect the power and okay. Moment of truth, right? So push down. Just push.
Yeah.
Working?
Yes.
Wow, working. And the pull?
No, open the door.
Open the door. Ooh, working.
Yay.
That's simple. Very simple repairing job. Okay. Because when I start the button, just buzz sound comes and didn't start it. So that was a motor problem. So I spent around 150, less than 150 from Amazon. So I fixed up probably 10 years, more than 10 years now. No problem.